इस पैराग्राफ की स्पीड 100 की होगी। इसके अलावा ये पैराग्राफ आपको 80 और 120 की स्पीड में मिल जाएगा। पैराग्राफ की फाइल और दूसरे स्पीड्स के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए हैं। गेट रेडी फॉर योर डिक्टेशन। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। Pakistan's religious influencers and ulama, in consultation with the government, appear determined to hold congregational prayer in the country, full stop. This despite the real threat of a rapid spread of COVID-19 and the consequent death of more people, young and old, across the country, full stop. At a meeting between President Arif Alvi and senior ulama representing all sects, it has been agreed that during Ramzan congregational prayers would be allowed, including Tarawih prayers, full stop. A set of SOPs has been agreed on, full stop. These include using prayer mats brought from home, performing wuzu at home, keeping a distance between people offering prayers and between the rows, using outdoor courtyards when available and avoiding hugging or touching each other, full stop. These broadly follow guidelines offered by the WHO for congregational gatherings, though the organization has also warned that socializing should be avoided when possible, full stop, para. It has been possible for Saudi Arabia, Iran, Indonesia and almost every other Muslim country to avoid prayer gatherings at mosques in order to prevent the risk from the novel coronavirus, full stop. The SOPs agreed to between the ulama and the government of Pakistan may have some effect, but realistically speaking one cannot be sure as to their implementation, full stop. Governments across the country have largely, with some variations, struggled to enforce even partial lockdowns put in place, with people openly violating them, full stop. A sharp upturn in cases has recently been reported from many places following an increase in testing, full stop, para. These places include congested alleys and spaces where an outbreak of the virus would be almost impossible to contain, giving the small spaces people live in, full stop. This is precisely the fear that had been expressed by Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah, who had warned that if COVID-19 appeared in the Kachi Abadis of the country, a nightmare could unfold, full stop. It is also hard to imagine that our people would suddenly become disciplined enough to follow the protocols laid down or to avoid gatherings after prayers, full stop. There are also other matters which cause concern, such as photographs apparently showing full to capacity pictures of Lal Masjid in Islamabad even during the lockdown, and some mosque clerics even insisting that people stand shoulder to shoulder during congregational prayers, full stop. This is surely the perfect way to ensure the virus reaches the maximum number of people possible and with them enters their homes, full stop, para. If most Muslim countries can ordain that mosques will remain closed during Ramadan and prayers will be offered at home, there is no reason why we cannot adopt the same sensible measures, full stop. Surely, our ulama and the government both recognize the dangers of not adhering to social distancing as well as the real difficulty in ensuring that people stick to the SOPs agreed on. Full stop. The move also puts doctors, who still have limited supplies of PPEs, at even greater risk. Full stop. Some of the best minds in the Muslim world have advocated that people pray in solitude at their homes. Full stop. That way, they can also contribute to the effort to combat COVID-19. Full stop. Saving lives is after all one of the most human things to do, and should be the spirit with which we start the holy month of Ramzan. Full stop. The end.